What is going on, you? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy IC4 with the unboxing of the new Dyson fan with the formaldehyde filter and all that. So first off, we're going to be getting it in this angle. I just want to show it in a different vibrant setting, and that's the box right there. Soon later in the video I'm going to show myself with it and give you an example. It's clearly right there on how tall it is compared to real life. And yeah, alright, so now I got my knife and I'm going to get this open. There we go, get this latch, get this other latch in the corner. And apparently this is supposed to filter the air pretty well, and any formaldehyde that, say as an example, this paints can release some sort of formaldehyde, I'd say, or wood or stuff like that in general, releases it and you can't see it in the air. One of those things, kind of like wind, you can't see it but you feel it and hear it, just like that. Formaldehyde is like that but slower and moves around like in a smoky way. So anyway, boom. So if you did not know or have not noticed, I did get the gray version, but that's because I'm permanently keeping this. Unlike the other videos that if you look up right now, or if you did watch it before this, they have the white one, and I guarantee you that's because they're just buying it for the review and they're going to return it back. But me, no. When I buy something like this, I get it the way I want it, and obviously it's going to last. I'm going to put the right price right now, but here we go, let's get it out right now. We've got the filter right here. This comes in this little nice package. It's one of them at least. Another one right here. Same thing, no different. And so let's get this part off. I'm not too sure what this is. Looks like it's the cord to it and maybe some extra instructions. Or just, yeah, it's just the cord actually. Let's go and get that out. It's got a remote right there. Get that in a moment. And as I get it out, apparently these are very good. They stay consistent. They may not have a good range of filtering the air right away, but that's because it stays consistent and it does not drop the level it does from what I've seen on the internet by the Dyson team over there. So, which is okay because, you know, I personally don't mind, and this is exactly what I've been wanting for a long time now. But I'll show you in a moment of it in its glorious beauty. So I thought why not? Let me get it on video of me getting out of the plastic, and if you'd like to hear the plastic, here we go. Here it is. Dyson fan in gray. Did a spin real quick. Oh, hopefully I don't break it like that. But that is that right there in ambient lighting with Philips Hue. Shout out to Philips Hue. If y'all want to sponsor me, you know, just let me know. Your boy Isaiah. Anyway, so let's get it out of this. Under there as well. Kind of get a. Oh, did you see that? Almost dropped it. That would have been tragic. Dyson would have been like, no man, we gotta pay us another 800. Anyway, further. Got this like plastic on the bottom. I'm gonna get it out real quick. And I'll show you right now. There it is. Get that on. And here's the Dyson fan. I'm gonna hold it right here. So this is like, I'm 5'8". So it's about almost half of my body. Which I'm pretty sure I'm 5'8". It's probably 5'9", 5'7". One of those three. But if you can tell right here, it's almost about half of my body. And yeah, it's beautiful, really beautiful. And yeah, so probably get the filters as well. Took me a little longer than I expected. It's okay. So when you open this, make sure, you know what I mean, your arm's not going to jerk back like that, because I got so lucky I thought that was it. It was going to fall back there and I would have to get a new one. But anyway, so here's the filter out of the package. This is what it looks like. It's got this back here as well that you need to take off out of this. And I'll show you when I put it on the fan. Alright, so when getting this on, you want to put the filter first, which I'm going to show you right now. So easily I'm just going to take this back off. Boom, like that. Kind of snaps out. Boom. So you got that. So you want to place that one in. This way you'll see like a lighter spot that goes upwards right into there, and then you get this part. By the way, it's recyclable, and it's recyclable material, which is beautiful. Dyson, beautiful, beautiful. I applaud y'all for that. Anyway, so it's easily go like that. Alright, so now it's plugged in, and I believe all I gotta do is possibly tap it. So I'm gonna tap it right here. This is the first time ever No? Oh, there's a button right here. I apologize. It's not that futuristic. You know what I mean? That wise, it's futuristic overall. The technology that goes inside of it. That's not what I meant. I didn't mean that in a bad way. Dyson, don't hate me. All right. It is currently filtering the air now. Right there, you see it. And it went up for a moment, but wow, I could feel the air. I don't know if it's getting on the microphone, because I know I don't have the best microphone on this camera, but I feel it directly just flowing this way. It feels super nice, actually. It's just filtering the air. So I got the remote right here, and we're gonna go ahead and just turn up it once, and it is now on 10, which I did not know. I don't think it's really on 10 yet. When you first turn it on, it's going to be in a neutral option, so you're going to want to go down the fan options, because it's going to be preset on 10, which you don't want it blasting right away. But you want to go to also the blue, and that's if you're feeling the cool air, or the hots right here. And so I just realized as I was doing that, it's currently filtering the air, and the air in my room is currently yellow. So I do have the window open, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. I pressed auto, and it definitely kicked up. I'm not sure what fan speed this is. I'm assuming maybe 5, 6, one of those two. I'm not too sure, but it is on auto. It's fantastic so far, and this has been the unboxing with a short review. And yeah, if you're looking to pick this up and think this is like a good option, I would say yes, but it's entirely up to you. It's your money. You're the one that worked for that money, or however you got it. So I do want to note real quick that the auto mode does not change the fan speed. It's just the auto mode for the fan. So yes, it's been your boy IC4 with the Dyson unboxing right here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can leave a like, leave a comment, whatever you may be, I'll try to answer your questions if so. And yeah, it's been your boy IC4. Have a good day, stay hydrated, and peace.